Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Shipt app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of the Shipt app. Maybe you're logged onto a phone. Maybe you just want to go ahead and fix it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to log out of the Shipt app, what you're first going to do is log in, like here. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, and then next to where it says Sign Out, click on Sign Out underneath Share the Shipt Love. So once you sign out, that should go ahead and log you out of the Shipt app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Script app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.